Introduction. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI, has opened an array of opportunities for individuals to generate income without the need for substantial financial investment. This presentation delineates the process of harnessing free AI tools for money-making purposes, providing a comprehensive guide to transforming technological advancements into financial gain. Understanding AI tools before delving into the methods of making money. It is crucial to comprehend what AI tools are and how they function. AI tools are software applications that employ machine learning algorithms to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks range from language processing to data analysis and image recognition. Popular AI tools such as ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Google's TensorFlow serve as powerful resources without incurring cost. Identifying potential AI tools. Start by identifying and exploring free AI tools that offer the capabilities necessary for generating income. OpenAI's ChatGPT excels in creating compelling written content efficiently, while DALL-E specializes in artistic image generation based on textual descriptions. Exploiting these tools can yield substantial financial rewards with zero investment. Content creation. One of the most profitable applications of AI is content creation. By utilizing ChatGPT, aspiring writers can produce articles, blog posts, and even ebooks. Monetizing these creations requires platforms like Medium or Kindle Direct Publishing, allowing easy access to a wide audience. Tips on optimizing search keywords and understanding the target market ensure that the content gains traction. Graphic design and art. Using DALL-E for graphic design is an innovative way to generate income. Freelancers can create and sell digital artworks for marketing or personal use. Platforms like Etsy or Adobe Stock allow for selling custom AI-generated designs. This segment delves into the technical aspects of using DALL-E effectively and marketing the artwork to potential buyers. Social media influencer opportunities. AI tools can also enhance social media presence and create influencer opportunities. Craft personalized and engaging content using ChatGPT, which attracts followers and advertisers. Detail on how to strategically increase engagement rates and collaborate with brands to earn through affiliate marketing and sponsored content is discussed. E-commerce business. AI can simplify setting up an e-commerce business. By using AI to analyze market trends and customer preferences, individuals can make informed decisions on product selection and pricing. Insights into using AI-powered analytics tools that optimize sales strategies are shared, along with advice on platforms to consider for listing products. Education and online courses. Professionals can use AI to develop educational materials and online courses. By transforming educational content creation into a profitable endeavor, leveraging ChatGPT helps create comprehensive course modules and engaging learning materials. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to start monetizing AI, remember to stay curious, keep experimenting, and adapt as tech evolves. Subscribe to AIVeda for more tips and tricks to turn AI into income. Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your journey. See you next time.